What's good, Fishing Age fam? We're back here with another video. I actually already finished up my fishing session. Just me and my dad went out, and we actually had a really great night until we got winded out. So before this video starts, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get straight into this video. Could be a little snapper too. You're on? Oh, you got it. Oh, I think you got a snook. Let me get the net. Oh, that's a nice snook, bro. Get in it. Oh, dude, that is sweet, bro. Oh, that's an effing nice snook, bro. Holy crap.
It's a beauty, ain't it?
Ow.
Watch them spikes.
Yeah, it got me. Whew. You gotta hold on to these
Let me
effings.
get that guy out. Boy, look, it barely had him.
He swiped at it. Oh, he was hooked good, bro.
Should I get it pliers?
Yeah. God, I can't even grip this dude. Whew. Hold this bad boy. You gotta grip him pretty heavy, hard in them. Let's get a GoPro shot of that. Take a picture. You have to like work them a while.
Keep going.
20, 23 and 24 and or 24. So two. Wow, nice, bro. It will bite. It'll like when they leave. Yeah, he'll bite on your thumb. Just let him bite on your thumb, and then he'll take off when he's ready. If you can, try to flip him around so the water goes through his gills. Actually, he should be good. See, look what his gill plate did to my... Look.
Oh, shit. Really?
Yeah. Them boys are strong. Wow. Nice, man.
Come on, buddy.
They're here, bro. Something was just playing with it. Come on. Oh, dude, this is good. Get the net, bro. Oh, yeah. Gotta be another snook, bro. Oh. Here it comes, bro. He's down, bro. Here he is. Oh, what is that, bro? It just broke me off, or it just came off. What is that?
God,
a grouper, bro. That's a. I think that's a gag.
What size can you take? You can't take them?
I think they're 24. Ow! Effing sharp gill plate. Look at that on the bucktail jig.
Let me get it.
A beautiful grouper we just caught on the black-tailed or white bucktail jig. Look at those teeth in that thing, guys. Let's let him go. Holy crap. He just soaked the F out of me, bro. Whew. That was insane, man. He was fighting good. All right, let's get this bad boy back out there. I want to, as much as I liked catching that, bro, I'd rather catch a freaking snook. I just got hit. Yeah. On. Get in that, get in that. Snook on, boys. Whew. I just freaking set the hook and it nailed that trolling motor. Not as big as yours, but
shit, that's a big one.
No, yours was like double the size of this, bro. This is definitely a good one, though.
Oh, that's a 20 something.
Yeah, F off, little snooker. Woo! Look at that.
Was your hook gone?
In its throat, down its gullet. Look at that bucktail down its throat, guys. Another snook, probably 20 something. Ah. Look, it just came out though. I think.
Did it really?
Well, it was out. Look at that nice snook, guys. On that all white bucktail jig. Here, can we get a measurement on this, dude?
Yeah. Yep, 22.
22? 23?
23.
All right, guys. Let's get him back in the water. There he goes, guys. Nailed that, bro. I probably broke my rod tips setting the hook on the freak and it nailed the trolling motor on me. I set that thing so hard. I wonder what this big boat's doing. Oh, super afraid. I gotta retie again. And that concludes tonight's episode, guys. Like I said, it was a crazy night of fishing. We didn't really expect it. We kind of trolled by the spot and saw the fish that were there. So we decided to go there and we were throwing around. My dad got his first snook. I got my first saltwater snook, and I got that really nice. I think it's a gag grouper. Definitely could have been a black grouper as well. But if you enjoy this video, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'm peacing out. I'll catch you next time.
Heading to the other side where I can see the sun, but I can't forget my past, everything that we had done. Baby, I don't need you, but I